What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We got NVDA on the charts because we traded this today for 76% when the market was looking a little bit choppy. So we could take a look at the SPY and see exactly what we are talking about. And you could see the downward move in the morning, upward move in the late morning, and then the pullback in the late afternoon. So it's been an up and down day, and to be able to catch a good day trade was, some say it's hard, some say it's easy, but I don't know. I just try to stay neutral and do my best every day, right? So today wasn't the easiest day to catch a trade, but we was able to catch NVIDIA, where you could see it on this screen. On the 5-minute chart, we have this level right here, the 134.74 level. That is a key level for me, right? And you're wondering, where did I get this level from? And in order to understand that question, we're gonna zoom out. All right, for us to answer that question, we're gonna zoom out and see that this line came from this area on the weekly chart, which you could say, okay, we touched it here, touched it there as resistance. We closed right there, couldn't close below it there, support. And when we zoom in to maybe the daily or the 4-hour, we're gonna see more points where that line acted as support or resistance. So you can see right there, it's pretty clean. And then you also have some clean bounces right there. And you also have another clean bounce right there. So a lot of confirmations on this line, which is what gave me the confidence to use it. So you have this confirmation, and then this morning you got the price pretty much breaking and closing through it, which is a bearish sign. So why did I take calls going up when there's a bearish sign, right? So this is where a little bit of experience, patience, and discipline all comes together to understand that this is a potential fake out. And long story short, it does, I would say in this case, was a little bit of luck, because I wasn't really watching NVIDIA as the market opened at 9:30, maybe 9:31. I looked at it and I seen the push up on the 5-minute, maybe the 15-minute, but it definitely pushed up, which gave me more of a conviction, hey, this could have momentum today. All right, so that's sign number one. And then you got the increase in the volume, right, from yesterday. So compare the morning volume from yesterday to today. That's another sign. And we are above EMAs, right? We are above the 9 EMA, which is bullish. So you got different things telling us, hey, this is a good setup to the upside. And more specifically, looking at this price action around this level, we could zoom into that 5-minute chart and we could see we definitely had some activity under and we came above, but I think the 15-minute gives a better view. So we're going to switch back. Let's see the 1 hour. I'm looking for the 2 candles, right? There you go. So you got one going down, and then this is a huge engulfing candle right here. So maybe if I go to the 30, you might be able to see it a little bit cleaner. All right, so see how it came down and right back up? This is saying, hey, we tried to come down, but the bullish pressure is so strong, we immediately push it right back up. The timing of that, the quickness of it really does tell the story of what's actually happening. And if it's happening right at the level that we're saying is a significant level, then that tells us, hey, this is some really bullish pressure. And you know, it just confirms everything that we've been seeing here a couple of days before and here the day before. And all we're doing is just using our observations to find good levels and make some good money if we get the right direction and good timing. So we ended up buying some call options right around, I believe it was 950. So 50, yep, this candle. Nope, this candle. It's for like 90 cents. And held it. So we was up right around here. I think I called take profit 1, so scale out of your position, and we held some profits all the way up to here, and we called like take profit 2, and then just holding the runner at this point. Well, I take profit 2 was up 76%, by the way, so that's like $1.60 from the $90 90 cents that we entered. So that is 76% on your money. If you would have put in $100, you would have got $76 back. If you put in 1,000, you would have got 760. If you would have put 10,000 in, you would have got $7,600 back on this one play. So this is the significance of being able to find plays like this, hold plays like this, secure it, and move on to the next play, right? Rinse and repeat. So understanding this process is very important, and I hope everyone learn how to do this in my Discord community. I'm calling out these trades, and I'm also helping you understand exactly what's going on. We got the new tier, which is pretty much a free access for anyone to come on in, and when you come in, you could just follow these steps, and you could download a new handbook, which is going to help you with the basics, right? So we teach the basics, everything you need to know about the trend, everything that I use, and yeah, it's a pretty good lineup system for beginners and even people who's experienced, and then eventually you could upgrade to tier 2 to get the day trade alerts, and then you could get tier 3 for live trading. All right, so the link for that is in the bio. And if you guys need any help, feel free to reach out. I also have one-on-ones if you want to expedite your learning curve. And yeah, so we're gonna have some more videos uploaded in a few, and we're gonna keep you guys posted with the market. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace.